Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a practical and exciting topic for you: how to earn money using your car. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a new way to generate income, your vehicle can be a valuable asset. Stick around as we explore several creative and effective methods to put your car to work for you. One of the most popular ways to earn money with your car is through ride-sharing and delivery apps such as Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Uber Eats. To get started, all you need is a well-maintained vehicle, a valid driver's license, and a clean driving record. These platforms offer flexibility in terms of hours. You can drive whenever suits your schedule. Depending on your location and availability, earnings can vary, but it's a great way to make extra cash. Another creative way to earn from your car is through car advertising services like Rapify and Carvertise. Here's how it works. You sign up with these companies, they wrap your car with advertisements, and you get paid based on the miles you drive. It's like turning your car into a moving billboard. Just make sure you're comfortable with your vehicle being a promotional tool. If you're not using your car all the time, consider renting it out through platforms like Turo and Getaround. This allows you to earn money during times when your car would otherwise be parked. It's a great option to cover car payments or maintenance costs. Just be sure to check the insurance coverage and rental terms to protect yourself and your vehicle. Delivery services such as Amazon Flex and Instacart are also popular options. You can deliver packages or groceries using your car. Requirements typically include a valid driver's license, a smartphone, and a reliable vehicle. The benefit here is flexibility. You choose when and how much you want to work, and you get paid per delivery. Lastly, consider offering mobile services that you can perform with your car. You can equip your vehicle with necessary tools and advertise services such as mobile detailing, pet grooming, or even mobile car washes. This is a low-cost startup option that allows you to set your own schedule and build a client base in your local area. Earning money from your car isn't just a concept, it's a practical reality with several viable options depending on your preferences and circumstances. Remember to do your research, understand the requirements, and comply with local regulations and safety standards. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or exploring new career avenues, leveraging your car can be a lucrative opportunity. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tips on earning money, and leave a comment below on your favorite method or any questions you have. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Check out our related videos for more tips and tricks. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe out there.